Hey delights! Welcome back. It's a new day. It's cold. We're experiencing a cold front here. And we're headed out to go refill water. Refill water, not much actually, because we have no water in the house and the tap water is not the cleanest or safest for us to drink. So head out with us. Oh ta-da! Oh ta-da! Oh ta-da! How the weather be looking?
How going my feet?
I thought it was a cat. I'm so sorry. Yeah. It's raining, cats and dogs.